Good morning mga agabay. So it's Sunday, family day. Ayan, kasama ko mga bata. And we're going to... Saan tayo pupunta? Ha? Saan tayo pupunta?
Museum.
Museum. We're going to National Museum.
The Spanish of
Bicol.
We go to see only of what's fine.
Kuya. Okay mga kagabay, so we're already here at National Museum for Bicol.
Three guys.
Okay. Oh, kaway-kaway kayo. Hi.
National Museum Bicol is located in Barangay Busay, Daraga, Albay. It is located adjacent to Cagsawa ruins. This is the only museum outside National Capital Region. That's why they call it National Museum Bicol. The National Museum Bicol is the only museum with indoor and outdoor exhibit. The indoor museum is all about the rich biodiversity and geology informations of the Bicol region, while the outdoor exhibit is all about the butterfly garden. Unique feature where you can see the different stages of butterfly, from egg to caterpillar up to the pupa and the adult butterfly. This museum will surely enjoy with the high school students, elementary, especially those kids who wants to learn the stages of butterfly. What are you waiting for? Come and visit National Museum Bicol. For inquiries, contact them to their social media account or their Facebook account, National Museum Bicol.
Merinda.
And isa yan.
Passion fruit.
Yung orange. Isa tadi yung orange tadi.
After the National Museum, we visit the adjacent attraction, which is the Cagsawa ruins, the iconic attractions of Bicol. We visit with the kids the new man-made lagoon in Cagsawa, where they do the fish feeding.
Kunti-kunti lang yan. Papa mo na.
This is Bicol Tour Guide. Thank you for watching and please don't forget to subscribe my YouTube channel. Diyos mabalos!